Hello everyone, it is Coding Magic. Today, we are diving into one of the most important concepts in JavaScript, which is called functions. So sit back, take a deep breath, and let's do it together. Whether you are just starting out or need a quick refresher, by the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to create and use the functions like a pro. Let's get started. First thing first, what is a function? A function is basically a block of reusable code. Instead of writing the same code over and over, you can define it once and call it whenever you need. Think of it like a recap. You follow the steps only once and you can repeat it whenever you like. So let's see how to create a simple function. First, we start with the function keyword. Then we give our function a name. In this case, greet. After that, we add parentheses and a set of curly braces. Inside the curly braces, we write the code we want to execute. Remember, it is console.log followed by parentheses. Inside of our parentheses, we have double quote, hello, welcome to the channel. Just like so. Now, if I call the function by typing greet followed by parentheses, we should get hello, welcome to the channel. Alright, let's take it up a notch. Sometimes you want your function to handle different inputs. Here's how you do it. First, write your function, and it is greet user followed by parentheses. Inside of the parentheses, we type in name followed by curly braces. Remember, inside of curly braces, we have console.log followed by parentheses, double quote, hello, plus name, plus exclamation. Now, when I call greet user Tom or greet user Anna, we get hello Tom, hello Anna. By passing in different names, the function customizes the message. These inputs are called parameters. We have another type of function called return values. Sometimes you want a function to give you back a value. Let's say we want to add two numbers. Let's write our function add x and y and return x plus y. Now, if I call let result equal add 7 and 3 console.log result, I should give back 10. The function returns the sum, and I can store it in a variable for later use. Finally, here are 3 reasons why functions are awesome. First, reusability. Write the function once and use it anywhere. Second, readability. Your code looks cleaner and easier to understand. Third, efficiency. Makes debugging and updating easier. And that's the basics of functions in JavaScript. Now, it is your turn to write some code. But before you go, hit the like button and I'll see you in the next video.